So this is from Bach's cello suite in G major. It's the Courante. Again, by doing this kind of varied articulation, it makes the music sound much more flexible and flowing at the same time. Yeah. So if I would compare, if I were to do this all kind of with equal tonguing and shaping, okay, it's going to sound like, so I'll still try to shape the phrase, shape the notes, but I'm using equal tonguing. Okay, I'm going to stay at the same tempo, but I will switch to doing varied articulation. So I hope it comes across. It's, the difference is immense, yeah. And even though I stick to the same tempo, the second version just sounds much more flowing, a little bit, lighter. It's more agile, yeah. It's not as clunky as the first version. So it's a huge difference. And the second one here, this is a fun thing that I actually discovered just a couple days ago. You can also make it, we talked about how inegal is, about not necessarily about shifting rhythm, okay? But depending on the affect, maybe you do want to do it in a very sharp manner. Okay, so there are no written rules. I would say, again, it's kind of more kind of self-discovery and really looking into the phrase and deciding on what you want. So I discovered it's kind of fun to do this kind of sharply, and it creates a little bit kind of a stubborn effect, yeah, which I think it's nice here in this Courante. Yeah, so it gives a little, I don't know, a little kick to it somehow. So that's something that you can experiment with and incorporate, keep it in the back of your mind and think about it in different passages.